in a snowstorm to the countryside, in the darkness, in the pitch black. 2.7 degrees Celsius inside the house. We don't need a fridge or a freezer. And hello and welcome to today's little vlog. I'm filming one time when we are coming here. It's early January when we are coming here to heat up the house in a snowstorm. It's freezing cold. It's insane. And I will continue to film a little this evening and a little tomorrow. So welcome to today's little vlog and do subscribe. He scared me knocking on the door. The oven is on, wood started to burn, and outside it's around -9 degrees Celsius. So woohoo! But Safrush, he is overjoyed to be here. For sure he had some bad memories from here when he was left by us here, but he also has a lot of happy memories and he loves to run around. I've got all things wool. Wool jumper, wool socks, wool underwear, wool everything. Cake and tea. It's 7:15 in the evening. After 3 hours, the temperature jumped from 2.7 to 4.4 Celsius inside. You imagine how it feels. I will have a mandarin now. Look at this. Good morning. Safroś! Chodź! Look how happy he's just over there. Very simple breakfast, some hot sandwiches, just cheese, our own sourdough bread, hot cacao. It's, as you saw, around 9 degrees Celsius inside and around -6-7 outside. And you might be thinking, why are we coming here to heat up the house? And that is because the pipes in the house otherwise are going to freeze completely and can explode. So that would be very bad. So I slept very badly. It was cold, then it was extremely hot, because we do have a small heater that you can, portable heater, but the day is beautiful. Going on a walk later and you will enjoy the winter wonderland with me. It's so cozy and amazing. As you can see, I have a fur coat. It's a real sheep skin and sheep fur. It belonged to my mom. She bought it, I think, in Sweden when she was very young. But she gifted it to me and it's really warm. It only comes out on special occasions, like being here in the darkness and cold. I gave it to dry washing once a few years ago, since I owned it. It's so beautiful. amazing. But I'm happy also we are going back to Warsaw because it was unbearably cold and my head is pounding because of the sleepless night I had, hot and cold. But I am really enjoying this beautiful view. We are on a walk and we are also going to pick up some ecological eggs. There is a farmer that we buy sometimes. Hopefully we will have soon our own chickens, but in the meantime sometimes we buy some ecological eggs here. So back in the house, we've got our eggs. We are big eaters of eggs, and brought just some meat that I'm going to heat up, maybe cook some pasta because we don't even have anything else. We brought very little food with us, just for like one evening, one morning and a little bit of lunch / dinner. It was wonderful to experience this snow and snowstorm here, but I'm also looking forward to going back to Warsaw and having a hot shower. We are going to eat, pack up and go back to Warsaw, and next winter is going to be here. It's going to be an adventure for sure, a wild ride. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that all will go well in Warsaw of wrapping things up. I hope you enjoyed this little snowstorm video, and I wish you all a wonderful day or evening, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!